How to turn on notifications on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification on Zangi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account on Zangi app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you get logged in, now click on notifications. Now toggle all the options. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna turn on notification on Zangi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, then make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.